Morning everyone. Today is Saturday morning. The grass is kind of look wet because the sprinkle was just done. It's gonna be hot today, so I'm not gonna show my face yet because I just woke up. And my dog likes to get out here with me, so I have to be here with him because he likes to be here with me for some reason. So I have a lot of weeds on the top of my fevers, and I just didn't have a time to finish yesterday because it was so humid. And you see my flowers, guys, is growing very nice now. It's been raining and I love it. Look at that very relaxing pond. My clematis, it looks like a lot of flowers come out. And my lilies, guys, very nice. Here, let's go see here my other clematis. Yeah, all the clematis have flowers here, so next time I really need to cut this all the way because so it's brand new. Very pretty here. It's my dog right here. Good morning, birdie. So right here, next time I really need to cut so we have fresh grow come out. And that's and right there my flowers. I don't know what the name of the flower is. So nice. I love it. From the top, na, 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 na. Hello, hello baby. Nice kaayo, huh? This one is really slow grower this year because when I start planting here, it was like cold. Oh, a little bit okay, then cold, and then warm and cold and warm. So the dog is always like to be here, running. And my ferns, and my hostas. There's right here another fern, hostas underneath the trees. And I say, look at my Asiatic lilies start to come out, but they don't come out at the same time for some reason. I don't know why. And then my petunia is looking good. It's another type of flowers. I don't know what kind of flowers this, but it looks nice. So the daylilies start to come out, buds of the flower. So this year is kind of late, you know. This is my relaxing. Yeah. And again, my dog's right here. He likes to be out here with me. I was still in bed, but then he likes to come out here with me. He skip bugged me. Hey, Toby, wanna go back inside? So anyway, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And diretso lang ni walay kuan.